Welcome to this guide on maintaining a healthy diet during busy weeks. Life can get overwhelming, and prioritizing your health might feel like a challenge. But with the right strategies, you can fuel your body with nourishing meals, even during the most hectic days. Whether you're managing work deadlines, family responsibilities, or a packed schedule, these tips will empower you to stay consistent and make healthier choices. Let's dive into practical and easy to implement ideas to keep your diet on track without sacrificing time or flavor. Start your week with a clear plan. A successful week begins with preparation. Dedicate 30 minutes on Sunday or your day off to plan your meals and snacks for the week ahead. Write down breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day. Knowing what you'll eat in advance reduces stress, eliminates last-minute unhealthy decisions, and ensures you have everything you need to stay on track. Prepare a grocery list before shopping. Before heading to the store, create a detailed grocery list based on your meal plan. This helps you focus on buying only what you need, avoiding unnecessary purchases like junk food, and saving both time and money. Stick to the perimeter of the store, where fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole foods are typically located. Batch cook your meals in advance. Cooking large portions of meals like soups, stews, casseroles, or pasta can save you a lot of time during the week. Divide these into individual servings and store them in the fridge or freezer. When you're busy, just reheat and enjoy a home-cooked, healthy meal without the effort. Invest in quality food storage containers. High-quality, airtight containers make meal prepping and storing food a breeze. They keep your meals fresh, prevent spills, and are easy to grab on your way out. Choose BPA-free options that are microwave and freezer safe to make reheating meals even simpler. Pre-chop vegetables for quick meals. Spend time chopping and prepping vegetables at the start of the week. Store them in separate containers or baggies so they're ready to toss into salads, stir-fries, or soups. This simple step saves valuable time and makes cooking feel less overwhelming on busy nights. Cook grains in bulk. Grains like quinoa, brown rice, and farro are versatile staples. Prepare a large batch and store them in the fridge for the week. Use them as a base for grain bowls, side dishes, or salads. Grains are filling and nutrient-rich, making them a fantastic way to keep your meals balanced. Portion out healthy snacks. Prepare small portions of snacks like nuts, seeds, trail mix, or sliced fruit and store them in grab-and-go containers. This prevents overeating and ensures you have healthy options at your fingertips when hunger strikes. Stick to simple recipes with minimal ingredients. Choose meals that require fewer ingredients and less prep time, like sheet pan dinners or one-pot meals. Fewer ingredients mean less chopping, fewer dishes, and more time saved, while still delivering delicious, wholesome meals. Use slow cookers or pressure cookers. These appliances are game changers for busy weeks. Toss your ingredients into a slow cooker in the morning, and return home to a ready-to-eat dinner. Alternatively, pressure cookers like the Instant Pot can prepare meals in a fraction of the time. Keep frozen fruits and vegetables on hand. Stock up on frozen produce for easy, nutrient-packed additions to your meals. Frozen fruits are perfect for smoothies, while vegetables can be quickly steamed or sautéed for sides or stir-fries. Double up your dinner recipes. Cook larger portions of dinner so you'll have leftovers for the next day's lunch or dinner. This not only saves time but also reduces food waste, giving you another healthy meal without extra effort. Create a weekly menu and display it. Write out your meal plan and display it somewhere visible, like your fridge. This serves as a daily reminder of your meals and helps you stay organized and committed to your plan. Consider meal delivery services or meal kits. During especially busy weeks, meal kits or delivery services can save you time while still allowing you to prepare balanced meals. Many services offer healthy options tailored to your dietary preferences. Stock your pantry with essentials. Keep staples like canned beans, whole grains, olive oil, and spices in your pantry. These items can be combined with fresh ingredients to create quick, nutritious meals when time is tight. Incorporate versatile ingredients into your meals. Focus on ingredients like eggs, chicken, or tofu that can be used in various recipes. For example, roasted chicken can be shredded for tacos, added to salads, or served with rice and veggies. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle and drink water consistently. Staying hydrated supports your energy levels, curbs unnecessary snacking, and keeps your body functioning optimally. Prep your breakfast the night before. Avoid skipping the most important meal of the day by preparing breakfast the night before. Options like overnight oats, chia pudding, or hard-boiled eggs ensure you start your day with a nutritious boost. Pack your lunches the night before. Eliminate the stress of packing lunch during a hectic morning by preparing it the night before. Use leftovers or create simple meals like wraps, salads, or grain bowls. Store healthy snacks in convenient locations. Keep nutritious snacks like trail mix, granola bars, or fruit in your car, bag, or desk. Having healthy options within reach reduces the temptation to grab unhealthy alternatives when hunger strikes. Use cooler bags for on-the-go meals. If you're often out and about, invest in a cooler bag. It keeps your meals and snacks fresh, allowing you to maintain your healthy diet no matter where your day takes you. Prioritize quick cooking proteins. Choose proteins like shrimp, ground turkey, or plant-based options that cook in minutes. They're perfect for creating balanced meals quickly without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Utilize pre-washed greens and pre-chopped veggies. Save time by buying pre-washed greens and pre-chopped vegetables. These are ready to toss into a salad, wrap, or sauté for a quick and healthy side. Assemble smoothie packs in advance. Portion out fruits, greens, and other smoothie ingredients into bags and store them in the freezer. When you need a quick breakfast, just blend a pack with your choice of liquid. Rely on grocery store shortcuts. Rotisserie chickens, pre-chopped veggies, or pre-cooked grains can be lifesavers during busy weeks. These items reduce prep time while still allowing you to enjoy healthy meals. Replace sugary drinks with healthier alternatives. Swap sodas and sugary beverages for water, herbal teas, or infused water. These options hydrate you without the empty calories, keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day.